What if I told you? You've been throwing away perfectly good food your entire life? Milk, eggs, bread. You see the expiry date and throw it out immediately. But what if that date doesn't actually mean what you think it does? Every year, millions of tons of food are wasted, not because it's spoiled, but because people trust the date blindly. Here's the shocking truth. Not all expiry dates mean unsafe. Some just mean not at peak quality. Let's break it down. 1. Best before date. This is not a safety date. It only tells you when the food is at its best taste and texture. After that, it may still be perfectly safe. 2. Use by expiry date. This is more serious. Usually found on meat, dairy, ready-to-eat foods. After this date, safety may be compromised. Let's test your assumptions. Eggs can often be safe weeks after the date if stored properly. Milk, often safe a few days after expiry if it smells and looks fine. Bread, if there's no mold, still usable. The date is not the final decision. Your senses are. Here's the real problem. You were trained to trust a number instead of your own judgment. Smell, look, texture. These are powerful safety tools, but we ignore them. Globally, about 1/3 of food is wasted. Let that sink in. That's billions of meals thrown away, while millions of people still struggle to eat. And the big reason? Misunderstanding expiry dates. But wait, don't get this wrong. Some foods are dangerous after expiry. Raw meat, fish, ready meals. These can grow harmful bacteria, so this is not about ignoring dates. It's about understanding them. Here's the smarter way. Check the type of date. Use your senses. Store food properly. Don't panic over best before. Think before you throw. You don't need to waste food. You just need to understand it. So next time you see an expiry date, ask yourself, is this unsafe or just not perfect? Because the truth is, you might have been throwing away good food all along.